Hello and welcome back to Tesla News. My name is Marian and I'm your host today, as always, covering Tesla news every single day for you. Today we will go into a new FSD timeline and subscription update. We will dive into Ford coming to China. We will go into the Model 2 as there are new rumors about a new platform that will be built. And of course, we will go into more detail what's happening in China here. I have some more news coming from there and what that means for Tesla. And if you do enjoy that, if you subscribe my channel, you give me support for my work. And I hope you follow me for my daily updates now. And let's start with one of the first news coming here. We will cover the interaction of Elon Musk, as always, as he likes to go into conversations with people and users on Twitter. So we will look into that first because it is covering the FSD. So he is saying that they are already on 100% safety when it comes to highway driving, but he is saying that they are still working on these last 1% or 0.11111%. So they are actually really close to that and they are improving every single week. We have heard that many times, but what this interaction showed is that they're really close to finishing up finally this big FSD update. And for all those who don't know what the FSD stands for, it's full self-driving, meaning in the future a car with this capability of the FSD is able to fully self-drive itself. So this capability is really important to achieve all the goals and all the expectations of us as investors, or as well the big investors like Cathie Wood, ARK Invest, etc., etc. Everyone is focused on the capabilities to achieve the goal of robo-taxis, self-driving, etc. So you kind of can feel the big pressure that is coming here right now. We have seen that Tesla is overachieving when it comes to delivering cars, but now we do see some critics saying, well, when is the FSD update coming? When is the FSD subscription coming, etc. So we do see the pressure is not going into car deliveries anymore as much as it has in the past. Now the people concentrate more on the tech that Tesla is offering here. So for the FSD subscription, I do expect big updates in the earnings call because they have not even mentioned closely what the price will be. No one actually really knows. It's just pure speculations, guys. So we do see that, and I do expect any update on that in the subscription. Elon said next month for sure the subscription comes. And I think for the FSD update here, it will come at the same time as he mentioned. So I don't think it will be another 2 months. And yes, I do know that he has delayed it more and more time way back. And we do know it's Elon time that he is talking about here. But it will be really important as well for the Boring Company, for the taxis driving in the tunnels. It will be essential that this updates come, so we do see further improvements in the development of self-driving. So we are waiting now for the FSD subscription, the FSD update, the big update with the pure vision, and we are waiting as well for the FSD button, because there will be a beta button for more people being able to experience the FSD in a beta version. So I don't know how this is going to be managed with those that are not using the FSD properly, because we know that Tesla has been canceling some beta users who have not kind of taken the responsibility of being serious about using that FSD in a way it's supposed to be used. So that will be interesting to see once people are able to download the FSD beta in a mass market, how they will deal with that. So this is a big update, big news here, guys, but again, we have to be we kind of have to be calm and wait, as always when it comes to many developments that Tesla is currently working on. And furthermore, guys, there's some more news coming from China, and it is also connected with the FSD updates. there has been kind of like this discussion or issue with the cameras in the Model 3 and Model Y, and the Chinese government didn't want that these cameras cover anything anything hidden or anything serious in China, and this data should not go outside of China. So Tesla has stated that all of the data collected in China stays in China. So that was the first kind of bad connection between the Tesla and the Chinese government. I think they solved that issue, but now we do know that the Chinese government is going against a lot of tech companies who have been taking over the economy. And we do know that the government over there tries to kind of get the control back. And Tesla has mentioned that they are not a tech company. It's kind of funny because we do know it is a tech company as well, and not just a pure car company. But again, they are trying to kind of make this thing work with the Chinese government. I'm really confident that they are able to do that. So let's see how this plays out. Looking here, you see the major improvements, and moving forward here at Giga Austin, it is just incredible, guys. I mean, credit goes out there to all those people from Texas working so hard to get this factory done. And thanks for Jeff Roberts here covering it every single day and giving me the opportunity to get that also on this channel. I mean, they are moving really fast. And as a German, I must say, yes, we have built the factory pretty fast for German time frames. But again, we do have all those paperwork to do. And that's a lot of frustration here. But I think that the German government is kind of now adapting to the Tesla speed. So they are kind of trying to get everything working here, and they have supported as well a battery factory in Germany. So once Tesla is applying for that, there will be the support for from the government for a battery factory, which will be really important for Tesla. So going into the Model 2, guys, just a short news here as well. I believe they will be building a new platform. There are rumors that they will do that, because they have to achieve a lot of criteria here. First of all, they need to try to be the safest vehicle in its class. It has to be never slow, joy to drive, looking good. It needs to be a nice design, and it has to be enough range. So again, guys, I think they still work already in the background on the design already, and I do expect that in Q3 or 4 we might hear any update according to the Model 2. Furthermore, the Ford Mach-E is coming to China. Big news, people saying, wow, the competition is coming, guys. Yes, it's a nice car, but again, Tesla is so much ahead in China based on the numbers, 35,000 cars per month and still increasing. So take care, guys.